Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing some interior cleaning. We're going to try and see if we can get the two front seats, the Alcantara portions of my 2018 Porsche Macan clean. Because it's a daily driver, I've had people spill stuff on the Alcantara portions, and because it's a light color interior, like a beige color, the Alcantara could get very dirty easily, and it really shows. So I have this Sonax Alcantara an upholstery cleaner and this brush, and pretty much we're gonna see if how well it works on the seats. So let's check it out. Let's head over to the Macan and check out these seats. So as you can see, immediately that looks absolutely terrible. The front seat, it's a little bit better, but also, you know, pretty miscolored. You can see, I guess from sitting on it and everything like that, if you wear jeans, it starts to discolor. So let's see how much better we can get it. Over here, I feel like this will be the biggest or toughest part to get clean. I mean, that looks pretty bad. So to apply the product, basically from the instructions, it seems like we shake it up pretty well, make sure the seats are all vacuumed. I had this car washed yesterday and they vacuumed the seats. Obviously, the vacuum can't take out the discoloration, but hopefully this product will. Pretty much just apply with this spray, use the brush to scrub it in, which I have there. Let it sit for maybe 5-10 minutes, and you should be able to wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. I've had people tell me they use a wet vac before. I probably will just use my microfiber cloth because I have no idea where the wet vac is right now. And repeat until there's no dirt visible on the cloth, or repeat if there's remaining like staining on the seats. So let's shake this bottle up and give it a try. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and apply this directly on the brush and then brush it in. Let's see. So it's pretty foamy. I just put like this much for right now. I don't want to put too much. And well, see how well this thing works. Hold it up here so you guys can get a better angle. I'm a little nervous, but here we go. Smells really good. Has like a citrusy kind of scent to it. It's all dry, so let me actually apply some more. I guess you kind of have to apply it a bit liberally. Let's see what we can do here. So if you can see, I applied it down there, up here as well. I'm gonna let it sit. I also gotta work on the driver's side as well. So I have the cleaner applied, both top and bottom, as well as top and bottom. I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes, and then let's see how clean they get. So these are the seats, about 10 minutes sitting. We're gonna try and use this microfiber cloth to wipe it off, and I'm hoping it makes a difference. I don't know, I still see a lot of the staining here, but I don't know. Let's try it out. So we're trying to dry the driver's seat, and honestly, I don't think it really made any difference personally. If anything, the seat is still damp, and it's probably going to remain that way for a bit. It's definitely pretty cold because it is freezing outside. But I didn't really have high hopes after I applied it because I still did see some staining even after agitating the surface. So this is my unfortunate review of the Sonax Alcantara Cleaner. I don't know if it's user error, if I applied it wrong, maybe too cold or something, I don't know. But based on my experience, didn't really do anything. So I actually went ahead and applied one more, I guess, coat, you can say, of the suede fabric cleaner. So I'm gonna try and wipe this off. But like I said, I don't have too high expectations. So guys, here are the seats after I let them dry off. This is probably after 2 or 3 times of going through it. I mean, definitely better than before. Still not perfect, but I would say definitely better. Not exactly where I'm happy with, because you can still see some staining, but I feel like if I go through this maybe a few more times, it'll get a little bit, maybe even marginally better. But I mean, I can't say I'm super unhappy with the product, because it did help out, you know, a fair amount, and it does smell good for what it's worth. But you know, this might be a product you have to try quite a few times to really see results, as shown here. But I guess it's a bit faded, so overall I am fairly happy. Not like the happiest, it's not a perfect product, but maybe with a little work it can work for you. So here are the seats after a day. Everything is nice and dry, and it definitely is improved. I think this is more of like the Alcantara wearing down low because of a high contact area, but definitely an improvement on both sides. It's not perfect, but I would say that compared to before, it definitely is improved. You still see kind of the markings there, but it is a lot lighter than before. Hey guys, so it's a new day, and here are my thoughts on the seats as well as like the Sonax Alcantara Cleaner product. It's not a miracle product. However, it did show, I would say, pretty massive improvements in the seat, and every time I did it, it improved. So this is not one of those products that you put it on once and then it's a miracle product, it completely fixes everything. Maybe if you have really lightly like soiled seats, but if you have like major issues that you need cleaning, well then you may have to try this product more and more. And there's no guarantee that it's going to completely remove everything that you were looking to get removed, but with consecutive uses it definitely gets better. So overall I am happy with the product, and I realize that it's going to take quite a few more rounds. I think I've done 4 rounds of using the product, applied, removed per seat, and it's definitely improved. So hope this helps, and if you guys are interested, hey, it smells good, and overall it did have my seats looking better, and I think that with more uses it'll continue to get better. So thank you guys for watching. We'll have more videos coming out on the Macan, the other vehicles as well. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hope this was helpful.